All right, this is From the Beginning by Emerson, Lake and Palmer. Okay, that's our intro. So our first thing is we have the 2 up here in the D string, and then we're gonna hit the harmonics down here. On the bottom 3 strings on the 12th fret, and a harmonic is where you just set your finger on top of the fret itself, but you don't press down. It gives you that overtone. So we have a 2, harmonic, and then we're gonna go. So that's 10, and then 12 to 7, and then 5, 7, 8, 7, hammer on pull off. So it's open, and then 0, 2, 3. Then we're gonna have, so that was 2 open on the G, and then a little E string, 3 to 8, and then we're gonna have 7 to 10 on the big string, then 12, open, open. Then we're gonna get into a series of triplets with this chord here, open, 11, 10, open. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and then we're gonna flip the chord to 10 and 11. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Okay, so let's try that together. I'll give you a 3 count. 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and flip it. Now we're doing the same chord here on the 5th and 6th. Then we strum the chord, hold it a little bit. So the whole intro. Okay, and then we're gonna go. Okay, so we're gonna slide from 4 to 5, kind of quick. Hit the 3 on the 2nd string. Do the same slide again, hit that 2 there. And that 2 is gonna come before these new chords each time. So it's like, and this is 10, 12, open, open. Give it like a jang, jang. And then we hit the 2. And our other chord on this sequence is 4, 0, 3, 0. So section A always has a 2nd fret G string, and then 2 chords. So we do that section A twice before a verse, and then we're going to do it once again in the verse. So the verse would be just that one set, and then we're going to switch to this chord, C. So we have 2, and then going down the strings, 2, 0, 1. So 1, 2, 0, 1. And then we're going to opens. 2nd string open. But we're going to come back to that 1 at the end of it. So it's. And then we're going to get into a F type shape. We're going to have a pinky on the bottom though. So it's 3, 2, 1, and 3. We're going to go. So all the way up and back. And then 2 extra notes there. Now we're going to take that shape up here, but we're going to bar the 3s down here and get a regular G. Same picking. And then we're going to come here. This is like a D shape on the 5th fret. We have open, 5, 6, 5. Same picking. So it's. So we do that one extra a little bit. That'd be the full pattern, and then we're gonna go straight up and all again, and then we have that riff. And these chords. So just one sequence on that, and we're back to the part B. We'll have the chord twice this time, the chords. Now here's part C. We're going to go hold that chord, and then switch this to a 4. And then come back. And then we have this little riff at the end. So that was 2 on the D string, open B string there, second string. And then 3, 2, 3, open. Let those ring. So once again, that new part was. Hold that a while and come back to our riff. We got the chords. Twice. And then verse, we'll do it once again. Part B. Once again for chords. Part B again. Twice here. Now the part C, but we're gonna have a little strum in it. Back into the chords once. Now here we have. So it's a real fast picked riff. It'd be 2 and then 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's like just a weird little fill in there they throw in. And then we're back to chords. Part B. So it does part B there. It does part A one more time, part B again, A twice. We got that C. This time we just let those C part notes just ring. Okay, now there's a solo we're going to get to here in a second, but the end of the song would kind of be doing those chords. And then finally we'll go. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so we strum the chord and then we go all the way up and down. And hit the chord again. That's that 10, 12, open, open. Okay, so the solo now is going to go. So kind of a rake on these 5s, and then we're gonna hit the 7, bend it up just a little bit, big 7 there, so. Okay, so we got big 7, 5, 7 and the G, little bend back to the 5, and then slide 8 to 10. So far we got. And then we have. So sliding into 10, 8, 5, slide into 10 again, 8, 5, slide into 10 again. So then we'll have a 7, little bend up and down to the 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, and we got one of these again. And then, now we're gonna go. So 10, 8, and then bend the 10. 10, 8, hammer. This one's kind of the same, but it's. So it kind of has 10, 8, 10, and then bend it. Then we have a 5 on the G, and then 4, and then 5 to 7 on the D. This time we kind of have 2 slides and back to the 8, another one of these. And then at the end of it, you have this little kind of half step bend on the 5 of the second string. So let me try to go through the whole thing a little bit. It's like. right, From the Beginning by request. Thanks for the request, Chris. Emerson, Lake, and Palmer. Got tabs on this. We'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks.